Yummy, this tastes wonderful. Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to prepare catfish pepper soup. For you to prepare this, you need some required ingredients, which I am going to be showing you the procedures on how this was prepared. Here you can see that's the fish. So for you to wash your fish very well, you have to add hot water. That's hot water they are adding. And in 3 minutes time, just say not up to 3 minutes, you can see the oil coming out and you can see the fish is peeling. Those slippery side of the fishes, those slippery skin, you can see it peeling. It's peeling off the slippery skin, and now I'll be removing it in the hot water. Yeah, so you know the water is hot, so you have to use something that can pick the fishes. Pick it and put inside this bowl. This is the method how to wash it. You can see all those things flying in the water. Those are the slippery texture that used to be in the catfish. After pouring it, you see how it comes out clean. So now, after this stage, I am going to be seasoning the fishes, adding my salt and Maggi to taste. If this is your first time in my channel, please don't fail to thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tap the bell for notification of new videos. Enjoy watching this video. Yeah, having placed the pot on the fire now, I'll just add very little water to the pot to avoid it burning. Yeah, so I'll be adding little water, just little, so that it steams with the fish. Very little water. I'll stir the pot. So mix it together so that the pepper can circulate every part of the fish. So you heat this first. When the pepper is circulated, before you now add water. So I'll allow this to boil for like 5 minutes for the ingredients to season the fish very well, enter the fish body. You know this is catfish. If you do not prepare it very well, when you eat it, you will not really like the taste and you feel like throwing up. So for you not to have all those effects, you have to season your fish very well. So I'll be covering the pots now. I'm covering the pots. So you can see that the pot is steaming very well. I have here, this is curry powder. Normally, putting curry powder in your fish gives it a nice aroma and makes the pepper soup very rich. You observe the color before and the color now. I'll be adding water, the required water I need now. So now I'll add water. I'll add water, required water I need. Normally you have to make sure. So now I'll be covering the pot and allow it to steam very well. You can see that the color has just changed. You're going to be seeing a wonderful pepper soup. Wow, you can see the pot boiling very well. So be adding scent leaf inside the pot now. Yeah, so now just cover it for 2 minutes and bring the pot down. The pepper soup is ready. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this wonderful recipe. Yeah, so the pepper soup is ready. If this is your first time in my channel, please don't fail to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Tap the bell for notification of new videos. I hope you enjoyed this wonderful recipe and you also learn how to prepare it. See you guys in my next video. Bye.